Hey guys, what's up? It's Lily. Welcome back. Today I am going to be honestly reviewing the Innate Clear Skin Vitamin Pack. Before we get started, 2 disclaimers. First of all, I have strep throat. It's the second day and my throat is, my head is, I can't even hear myself. But I can hear that. My brother is blasting music in his room, but this is gonna be a long video. Okay, so anyway, I was sent 3 boxes of these Clear Skin Vitamin Packs, which is each is 30-day supply. So I had a 90-day supply of these vitamin packs, and I filmed a bunch of clips throughout my journey. I have about like 2-ish minutes of those, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert those now. So I'm pretty sure this is the 3rd day. That's why I'm holding up a 3 right there. So yeah, LOL. So guys, it is day, I think, 4 of restarting my vitamin packs, and my face is breaking out so bad. It is horrible. It hurts. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why. I've never had acne in my life. Something happened and I'm breaking out. I have about 7 zits on my head that are painful. Every time I lift my eyebrows, they hurt. I have these 2 things that don't really hurt, just have been there for like a week. My chin, I have a zit right here. Pimple, painful. I had a really bad zit under my nose that hurt really bad. I'm really hoping that these skin packs are gonna work. So that's day 4. So it has been about 2 weeks since I started taking the vitamins again, around 2 weeks. Right now, my forehead's still breaking out, my chin's still breaking out, I'm getting these little pimples, but the breakouts aren't like pimples, it's zits all over. It's, you know, like really big zits. You can't really tell because this is my phone, but it's zits like down on my chin. I have 2. I have like 4 on my forehead. They're not visible, but they hurt and they're big. They're like this big. And then this is just a pimple. I don't even know what this was. Yeah, frustrating, but it's a 30-day thing. I have 90 days of it. So I'm really hoping by these 90 days, my skin will be clear, because this is really annoying. Hey everyone, so it's been 15 days since I started taking the vitamins. I just finished the first box. As I said previously, I think that I stopped taking them. I was 15 days in when I stopped taking them, and there's 30 in here, so 30 minus 15 is 15. So obviously, yeah. But update on my skin. My forehead has been getting better. I still have a few zits. I have like 3 on my forehead. I have this really bad pimple that has kind of gone down, but it hurt pretty bad, but it wasn't too big, so that's good. There was one here, but that one has been there for a while. My chin is still breaking out. There's still a few pimples and zits down there, but other than that, my skin is okay. I just got this new thing right there. I don't know what it is. I thought I had rosacea or something, because I get these little bumps right here. It's like right on my cheeks, but like they're just tiny little bumps. I don't know if you can't really see it because this lighting is really bad. It's literally my fairy lights, but yeah. So that's the update on my 15 days in, and I have 2 more boxes of 30 days. So yeah, I'm getting this sore on my tongue that really hurts. It's like happens when you eat like a lot of salty foods, and it's really hurting. So hopefully that goes away tomorrow, but probably not, because it just started to hurt. So good. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next clip. Hey everyone, so I wanted to update you. It's been about a week-ish since I started my second box of the vitamins, and this is what my skin looks like again. Not very good quality. Basically, my chin has gotten a lot better. My face, like right here, has gotten a lot better. I haven't had any breakouts like on my nose, thank God, since I got my piercing. I have this zit right here that hurt pretty bad. It was pretty big, but it wasn't really noticeable like when I did that, so that's good. Other than that, there was like some little ones here and there, but nothing too horrible. My forehead has been the big issue. It's still breaking out pretty bad. Right here really hurts, right here really hurts, up here really hurts, and then there's like this area right here that's always breaking out. But I guess it's getting a little bit better. I mean, I don't know if it's as bad. I'm not really sure, but I feel like it's a little bit more manageable. But yeah, so that's my update. I'm about like a week and a half, 2 weeks into my second box. And yeah. Hi everyone, so it's been about 2 weeks since I updated you, and I'm getting really frustrated. My forehead has been horrible. My chin has been pretty bad, and I got like some stuff, like I got some on my nose, my eyebrow, like right on my hairline. It's been so bad that like I literally like 2 nights ago I took off my makeup and I like was just about to cry because I've been never broken out this much before. I'm like, I don't know if it's the vitamins. I don't know, like I've been eating not bad really. Like I haven't been eating that much sugar, just here and there, but like it's bad. But it's painful. Like every time I scrunch up my eyes like this, like it's painful. Especially right now, like I don't even get pimples really anymore. I get zits. Like there's one on my chin right here, and I've been putting so much like acne stuff on it that it's just been drying up and crusting. Like after a few hours of putting on makeup, like I'll have crust stuff on my forehead, and like it's just gross and it's annoying, and I don't even know what to do anymore. So I don't even know. Sorry, someone called me. I don't know if I should continue to take the pills or not. I don't know. I've been looking at reviews, and it says that like they start working in like 50 days, and it's been like almost 60 days. I don't know what to do. So I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, so I'm 3 vitamin packs away from being done with my second box, and I don't think I can do it anymore. For real, it is really bad. Like my forehead, it doesn't stop. Once it starts, you know, getting kind of better, there's more pimples, more acne that forms. My chin, this huge. Do you see that? That's gross. I just don't know what to do at this point. I just feel like I need to stop taking these vitamins, or else my face is just gonna keep getting worse and worse. I've been taking them for about 2 months now, and nothing has happened. It's just made it worse. Like, look at this. So, I'm gonna finish the box, and I don't even know. I mean, I told you guys I was gonna do a whole review on it, do all 3 boxes. I just feel like if 2 boxes is gonna make my skin this bad, how bad is 3 boxes gonna be? I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens. So, as you can tell, my skin did not like this at all. As you can tell, I'm still breaking out, and it has been about, I don't even know. I will insert how long it's been like somewhere on the screen. I don't have any makeup on right now. My skin is still suffering. So background on my skin, I've never really had like horrible skin. I've always just had like breakouts and stuff. I've never had like acne or anything like that. During the middle of, the end of summer, the beginning of fall, my skin was getting super bad for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because of hormones. I seriously don't know why. And I've partnered with this brand before, like a while ago. I never did a video on their products. By the way, I'm editing this right now, and just want to let you know that like the guy that I always emailed with, I think his name's like Kevin or something, super nice guy, like
always really nice and always was like super helpful. So just wanted to point that out. Like, the people were not mean at all. Like, I'm not trying to bash this company or anything. They are really nice people, so just want to point that out. I was starting to like get a lot of breakouts, so I decided to reach out to them again, and I asked them if they could just send me some stuff. So they sent me 3 of these boxes, and I was like, okay, great, perfect. I took like 15 little packs of vitamins. After that, my skin was just turning horrible. My skin wasn't too bad prior, so I was just like, okay, whatever, I'm just gonna stop taking these vitamins for a while. So then I stopped taking the vitamins, and then after I stopped taking the vitamins, my skin was getting bad again. And so I was like, okay, I'll just go retake the vitamins. So I started the next 15 days on that box, and then I almost finished this box, and by the end of this box I have about 1. I literally have 1 vitamin pack left, and I just could not do it anymore. I could not take any more vitamins. My skin, I was literally having such bad acne that my face was hurting to the point where like I hated going out. I hated being out in public because my skin, my forehead hurt, and sometimes my chin, but mainly my forehead. Every time I would raise my eyebrows like this, it would be so painful, and it just continued for the whole time I was taking those vitamins. It was just so painful. I never experienced acne like this. I was getting little bumps all around my forehead. I even tried to change my diet. I always eat pretty healthy, and so like I was like, maybe I'm just not eating healthy enough. So I tried changing my diet, and like even that, it just wasn't working. So I just decided to stop taking these vitamins because it was just not good. This is healing right now, so I've been putting aloe on it and stuff like that. But up here has been really bad, like, and then just like all my whole forehead is just so bad. I'm not really sure why my skin reacted this way to these vitamins. After about 2 weeks of being off this, I finally felt my skin like clearing up. Even though it's still looking kind of bad, it feels a lot better. So I'll show you the vitamin packs look like. So you're supposed to take 1 of these each day. So there's these 2 huge capsules and then these 2 little pills, and these ones, the like powder's kind of loose, so there's still some powder like in there left over from the pill. That's my review on the Innate Skin Clear Skin Vitamin Packs. Let me know if any of you guys have tried this before. I really am curious as to know if any of you have tried this and what your results have been. Anyway, I will see you guys later in my next video. Subscribe. Also, follow me on my Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook. I'll have those right here and linked down below. Definitely go follow those because I will be posting a lot more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Chinchilla.